So today we're making a very simple yet effective home remedy that will guarantee you smooth, clear, and glowy complexion in just 2 weeks. Yes, if you're suffering from any kind of hyperpigmentation, any kind of dark spots, rough face, just try this recipe. So the first ingredient you'll be needing is rice, the normal cooking rice, the one we cook and eat. Yes, rice that you see has a anti-aging property. I don't know who find this, the Koreans, I believe, but thank you very much. So rice that you see have the ability to bring down your age from 40 to 18 years old. Trust me, it's packed with anti-aging property. It boosts collagen production, it removes hyperpigmentation, it's clear dark spot, it gives you smooth face. Rice that you see is what Koreans use in their skincare routine all the time. Like, that's why you see they don't age, they don't age at all. So you get your rice any quantity you want, no measurement, just do it for like 1 week batch or 2 weeks max, because we are going to put it in the fridge so that it will not spoil. So here we're washing our rice, so make sure you wash it very well, because we are using it on the face. We are using this recipe on the face, so you do want to remove any form of bacteria, any form of dirt that is in the rice. So while I'm washing my rice, I want to use this opportunity and tell you that we do sell skincare products. We do skincare product training. When you're finished washing your rice, as you can see, you put water and start boiling the rice. So you will need water that will make the rice overcooked, because that's what is expected in this recipe. You want overcooked rice. So when you're done cooking your rice, you bring it down and put it in any place that you will blend the rice, because we are going to blend this rice. You can put it in your blender. As you can see, I am using hand mixer for this. So if you have hand mixer, you can just put it inside a jug or something and just try to mix it. You are going to blend this until smooth. You need a very, very smooth consistency. So as you can see, I am done mixing or blending my smoothie. It's not smoothie, but yeah, it's smoothie, right? I'm done blending my smoothie, rice smoothie here. So we are going in with our next ingredient. So we are using honey that you see is packed with antibacterial property, anti-aging property. It helps with dark spots, it helps in cleaning hyperpigmentations on your face. So honey is very, very good when it comes to face masks. So we are going to use this in form of face masks, this mixture in form of face masks 2 to 3 times a week. Yes, but if you are starting out and you want to see effective results, you can do this every day, like no harm. You can do this each and every day, like once a day is very, very good. So you will store your mixture in a fridge so that it will not spoil. And trust me, just go and try this and come back with review. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, to turn on the bell notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be first to notify. So thank you, bye.